Hello everybody, hello Ideal Home, lovely to see you all, hello. First of all, thank you all for buying your tickets. Well done. So this is what I like to do, hopefully you can hear me in the back, there are a lot of you here, I hope the acoustics are good. I always think I need to make you work for this, so we're going to start off with a quiz, okay? We're going to do a quiz, I'm going to test you. Who's seen the Ideal Home before? Okay, that means I need to do new questions. Right, here we go. So question number one, start listening. Car insurance, you are a good driver, though you're a little bit horny. Right, too often, just less, please. So, now, you're coming to your renewal, your price last year was £400. Shock, this year, they send you the letter, £600 for your car insurance. It's gone up 50%, which, by the way, is the typical rise, outrageously, this year. So you decide you're going to go onto a comparison site. You go onto a brand new comparison site. Nothing I say is not for a reason, remember that. You're going onto a brand new comparison site called I'm really seriously confused.com. You go on to I'm really seriously.confused.com and you find there car insurance for £400 with the same company you are with and exactly the same policy that you are on right now. So your renewal was £600, you've gone onto the new comparison site, it's £400. Which one of these three options is correct? A, if you buy it at £600 on your renewal, you can then force them to lower it to £400 because of the law that now says existing customers must be sold products at the same price as new customers for car and home insurance. B, you don't have to buy it, you can go to them and say, you're charging me as an existing customer more, you must give me the cheaper price because of the law that says existing customers must be charged the same as new customers. Or C, in these circumstances it doesn't apply, so they can charge what they like. Those are your three things. Have a think now. Okay, so we're going to do hands go up. That's who thinks it's the first one. You can buy it and then they have to bring the price down. Hands up, don't worry about what your neighbours do. If you think it's true, hands up. Yeah, there are some hands there, not many. Who thinks it's B? You can buy it, they can bring the price down beforehand. And who thinks it's C? The rules don't apply. So the vast majority of you were B, the few of you at the end got the right answer, it's C. It's C. They don't count, and there's a reason the rules don't count, and this is the thing people don't understand about the new laws that are supposed to prevent a loyalty penalty, and it's the reason I do the question. That rule is channel specific. That's what it means. So, what the rule says is if you bought direct with the insurer, when it comes to renewal, they cannot charge you more than a new customer who bought direct with the insurer. If you bought via Compare the Market, they cannot charge you more than a new customer via Compare the Market. Does anyone remember this comparison site? Very confused.com. It was a new one, so no one has bought through that site before, hence you can't make this rule work. And this is incredibly important to understand. In fact, it's one of the reasons insurers can get around this rule, because what they can do is say, well, we'll be competitive on two comparison sites, we'll be more expensive than direct, and then we don't have to bring the price down in a universal level. Or, equally, we're going to launch a new insurance company that's a sub-brand of our own brand, and then you can't be an existing customer, we can put the price up. Now, of course, if this were to happen to you, and you were to go and be charged more as an existing customer than a new customer because it wasn't channel specific, you should still go to your insurer and try and haggle with them and bring the price down, but you don't have a legal right to. So that's question one. Question two, you ready? Look at that, I'm at Ideal Home, they're selling a statue of Lawrence Llewellyn Bowen. It's an AI animatronics Lawrence Llewellyn, I mean,